In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tiers on Patreon. If you're building a membership community, setting up your tiers properly is one of the most important parts of your Patreon page. Tiers help you organize what supporters get, how much they pay, and how you present the value of joining your community. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the basic process in a simple, clear way so you can get your membership structure in place. To begin, go to Patreon and open your creator page or creator dashboard. This is where you'll manage the settings for your membership offerings. If you're already logged in, you should be able to access everything right away. If not, sign in first so you can make changes to your page. Once you're on Patreon, click on Membership. This section is where Patreon lets you manage the subscription side of your creator account. Think of it as the control center for your tiers, benefits, and supporter options. If you're new to Patreon, this area is especially important because it's where you'll define what your audience can join and what they receive in return. After that, click on Get Started. This will take you into the tier setup flow. Patreon uses this step to guide creators through creating their membership offers. So if this is your first time doing it, just follow the prompts on screen and move through them carefully. It's a good idea to pause for a moment here and think about the type of experience you want to offer your patrons before making any final choices. Next, choose Customize Tier. This is the step where you shape the details of the tier itself. You'll typically be adjusting things like the tier name, the price, and the benefits included. The goal here is to make the offer clear and appealing. Keep your wording simple so potential supporters immediately understand what they're getting. It also helps to make each tier feel distinct, especially if you plan to offer more than one option. When you're finished customizing the tier, click Save. This confirms the changes you've made and stores your new setup. Before saving, it's worth quickly reviewing the details one more time to make sure everything looks the way you want. A small check here can help prevent confusion for future members. And that's it. Once you've saved your tier, you've completed the basic setup process for Patreon tiers. From here, you can continue refining your membership strategy over time, but these core steps will get you started with a solid foundation.